Hello everyone. In today's video, we uncover the list of 50 most expensive military aircrafts around the globe. Let's subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Embraer Air A29 Super Tucano costs about $12 million, offering reliable light attack capability with excellent durability. Mi-28 Havoc comes at $18 million, delivering aggressive Russian attack helicopter power for frontline operations. U-860 Blackhawk, priced near $22 million, provides strong utility performance trusted by many global militaries. Mi-26 Halo, costing $25 million, stands as the world's largest heavy-lift helicopter with unmatched capacity. T-7A Red Hawk, at $29 million, offers advanced American jet trainer performance for next-generation pilots. T-50 Golden Eagle, priced around $30 million, gives South Korea a capable trainer with light combat ability. JF-17 Block 3, costing $32 million, provides affordable multi-role strength with modern avionics and superior agility. CH-47 Chinook, at $32 million, offers dependable tandem rotor transport power for heavy battlefield missions. IAI Eaton Heron TP, costing $35 million. AH-64E Apache Guardian, priced near $35 million, remains America's premier attack helicopter with lethal precision. AV-8B Harrier II, costing $35 million. NH-90, priced around $40 million, brings modern European transport versatility with strong battlefield survivability features. Hall Tejas Mk-1A, costing $42 million, offers India an advanced lightweight fighter with improved systems. MiG-35, priced near $50 million, gives Russia a modernized multi-role jet with advanced sensors. Sukhoi Su-57, costing $50 million, introduces Russian fifth-generation stealth capability with impressive maneuverability. AW-101 Merlin, priced around $60 million. F-16V Block 7072, costing $63 million, provides upgraded American strike capability with modern avionics. Shenyang FC-31, priced near $70 million, delivers China's emerging stealth design aimed for export markets. F-18EF Super Hornet, costing $70 million, remains a reliable American carrier-based multi-role combat aircraft. Saab Gripen E, priced around $85 million. Sukhoi Su-35, costing $85 million, gives Russia a highly maneuverable air superiority fighter with long-range capability. V-22 Osprey, priced near $90 million, combines helicopter flexibility and airplane speed for unique American operations. F-15EX Eagle II, costing $90 million, provides America with powerful speed, payload, and next-gen battlefield dominance. CH-53K King Stallion, priced at $95 million, delivers America's strongest heavy-lift helicopter performance. C-130J Super Hercules, costing $100 million, offers unmatched American tactical airlift reliability across global missions. KF-21 Bora, priced near $100 million. Dassault Rafale, costing $115 million, presents France's top multi-role fighter with exceptional precision and versatility. Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon, priced at $120 million, gives China a formidable fifth-generation air superiority presence. Eurofighter Typhoon, costing around $125 million, combines European engineering with high-speed multi-role excellence. Kawasaki C-2, priced at $130 million, offers Japan a modern strategic airlifter with strong payload capability. KC-390 Millennium, costing $130 million, provides Brazil efficient transport performance with excellent versatility. Kawasaki P-1, priced at $140 million, delivers Japan's advanced maritime patrol capability with powerful sensor integration. RQ-4 Global Hawk, costing $140 million, offers America unmatched high-altitude surveillance endurance. A400M Atlas, priced near $150 million, gives Europe a versatile tactical and strategic airlifter. MQ-4C Triton, costing $180 million, provides America maritime surveillance endurance across vast ocean regions. F-35A Lightning II, priced at $180 million, brings advanced stealth and strike capability for multiple allies. KC-46 Pegasus, costing $188 million, offers America modern aerial refueling capacity with improved systems. F-35C Lightning II, priced near $220 million, enhances carrier-based stealth operations for naval missions. E-2D Advanced Hawkeye, costing $230 million, gives America exceptional airborne early warning capability. F-35B Lightning II, priced at $250 million, enables unique short takeoff, vertical landing combat flexibility.
E-3 Sentry AWACS, $270 million. E-7 Wedgetail, $275 million, from USA. P-8 Poseidon, $290 million, from USA. Tupolev T-160M, $300 million, from Russia. B-1B Lancer, $313 million, from USA. C-17 Globemaster III, $340 million. F-22 Raptor, $350 million, from USA. B-21 Raider, from USA. Price, $750 million. Air Force One, VC-25B, price, $1 billion, from United States. B-2 Spirit, $2 billion, from USA. Thanks for watching this video.